ReRun is a software system to support post-facto analysis of interaction and simulation research. In this submission, we show it working inside a multiplayer driving simulator. It is built in Unity 3D and captures the virtual behavior of participants and their interactions with virtual objects. These recorded behaviors can then be played back. ReRun records the scene state over time, which makes it possible to play back any recorded interaction from any perspective in the virtual space. This is useful in multi-agent interaction studies because researchers can shift through scenarios carefully from each participant's perspective or even from an outside observer's perspective. This enables a fine-grained understanding of implicit and explicit signaling between participants and other human or AI-controlled agents. With ReRun, researchers are able to reconstruct key factors for studying interactions.